welcome back. Today we came here to Praia da Amoreira in Aljezur. It's a beautiful, magnificent beach. We are just here off the coast here, so it's very open. It's a very big beach. There's lots of big waves today. And I also want to mention that it's winter and it's 21 degrees, so we are loving life. I'm going to show you the beach and it's absolutely beautiful. Definitely recommend a visit. Wasn't that amazing? This looks like a perfect beach for surfing, and there's a bunch of coral formations here which are also super cool that we're going to go and explore, but I will show you some of these as well. I'm excited because I bet you there's a bunch of really cool seashells that we're gonna find. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll show you a couple more videos later, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we obviously do appreciate that, and I hope you're enjoying all the videos, and I'd love some feedback. Anyways, take care, enjoy your winter. Peace out for now.